RSS, really simple syndication. All of us search the internet for so many things every day. We visit some sites regularly. RSS tracks this information and regularly sends you updates whenever the sites are updated. RSS is used to organize your favorite blogs, movies, news, images, etc. in one window. Before RSS, the user had to visit each website and check for updates. This led to spending a lot of time if new updates found. With RSS feeds, you save time. It fetches the updated web feed or newly published information from the website or blog directly to you. So you do not have to search for updated information again and again. RSS is a collection of web feeds, which could be headlines, music video, blog entries, etc. To enable RSS, you must first subscribe to content from multiple sources like YouTube and blogs. RSS feed handles these notifications easily in an organized manner. Web builders use feeds to segregate fresh content from their websites and web servers. RSS may also be referred to as RSS feed, RSS channel, RDF feed, XML feed, Atom feed. Starting RSS feed. RSS feed is represented by a small orange symbol. If it is on a website, click on it and subscribe to the relevant feed. This icon can be located at the extreme upper right-hand side of the website or at the bottom of the website with other icons. You can also type /RSS in the address bar after the website name. You can subscribe to the RSS feed of your choice to read. Blogging. Blog is a short form of weblog, which refers to a website where new information about any topic is updated regularly. The latest posts appear first. The term weblog was coined by an American blogger named John Barger in 1997. It is like a journal where you write about your life and thoughts. It is more like a personal diary which is shared online publicly. The text is conversational in style. Blogging is the act of writing and maintaining a blog, which includes photography and other media that are self-published online. Readers of blog can also comment. When more readers comment, the blog becomes more popular. This made blogging a new type of online business venture. It can also be used for marketing a business or product. Blogs are popular because they are free, easy to access, and you can also contribute by commenting on the content. A blogger is a person who owns a blog and keeps it updated by posting new posts, experiences, opinions, stories, news, perspective, etc. Anyone can become a blogger. You just need to create a blog and update it regularly, either part-time or full-time or simply as a hobby. Difference between a blog and website. Website is a collection of static pages such as homepage, contact page, profile page. On the other hand, blog contains both pages and posts, but mostly posts. Websites usually don't change regularly as blogs do. Blogs are based on the idea of orderly release of new content to attract crowd. Blogs are written in reverse chronological order, that is, recent post on the top of the page followed by older posts up to the oldest post. You must have already heard about different kinds of blogs, such as travel blog, fashion blog, food blog, music blog, fitness blog, sports blog, movie blog, news blog, and many more. To create a blog on Blogger website, follow these steps. 1. Open www.blogger.com website. The homepage of Blogger website appears. 2. Click on the Create Your Blog button. This will open sign-in page of Google. To register yourself with Blogger website, you must have a Gmail account or you need to create a new account. 3. Enter your email address and password. 4. Click on Next button. 5. Type title in the given text box and then click on Next button. 6. Enter the display name. Click on the Finish button. 7. Click on New Post button to start a new post. 8. Enter title of the post. 9. Type the content of the post. 10. Click on Publish button to upload the post on the blog.